So what's your name?
My name is Berenice.
Can I guess where you're from? Germany.
No, France.
France. What part of France are you from?
Paris.
Paris. Okay, I've been there. I like Disneyland. You know Disneyland?
No.
Disneyland.
Ah, Disneyland.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. What's one thing you would erase from the internet?
AI.
How come?
Because I just think it destroys creativity, artists, and everything like that. Like, it's a great thing for, I don't know, automotive activities, but for creativity, artists, it's a really bad thing.
I'm guessing you're in uni.
Yeah,
So does it not help you like with your exams?
I don't use it.
Is this, so do you do art or something in uni?
Sorry?
What do you do in uni? Like art?
No, I'm not doing art. I'm doing business, but I'm just trying to acknowledge the class and have my own opinions on things and just yeah.
Yeah, because business is about being creative, isn't it?
Kind of, you have to differentiate yourself from other business, but yeah.